Well, you can see who's the hungry ones, ne? The hungry ones. And my sissy Dik is number one hungry one.
Ek eet net
Potsak. Sê vir my.
een bacon
Ah,
en een eier.
so lekker Elephant Sands breakfast of champions. Some eggs, compression beans, kimunati kaufela bacon and horsies and mince. And for the healthier ones, there's some fruit salads, some papa. But Hera, paletje okay. Paletje okay. Hi, ook een paletje. How one? Yo, how can you cannot have breakfast and not have paletje? Hey, I'm gonna speak to Saskia. There needs to be a Sesanyana paletje. Yeah. Twara more the private paletje. Twara. So yeah, let's eat breakfast, boys. So the second phase of this back to basic, starting this morning as we leave Elephant Sands. And Elephant Sands, thank you for making me a king for a day yesterday. Man, that was a lucky experience. So thank you Saskia, Chart, Benna. Hello Dirkus, for taking such good care of us as a group. And as always, Nate, dinner at Elephant Sands. Man, moer some more. Spare ribs, chicken, beef stew, salads, veggies, mapatapatas, maguinas. 4 puddings. It was malva, milk tart, a lemon fruit tart. Too much. Look at Dirkus. Let me just show you something there. Now he's pulling it in. He was pulling it in now. Even this morning, he was swollen from the Elephant Sands cuisine. Arrivari! And even me and Dirkus, we still slept in a tent, so it's still back to basics there. So it's not cheating, it was a tent. But today is the start of Kampstaldraad, back to basics. So Elephant Sands, thank you. We really enjoyed it. But now, let's go back to the bush, back to the real basics. Now Dirkus, even Dirkus wanted to stay here for 4 days. He said, you can pick me up when I come back from Kasani. Samgevang, samgehang.
The roof rack's loaded, heavy with the jerry cans and gear, leaving every city stress in the rearview mirror clear. We're chasing lines on paper maps where the signal fades to black, into the heart of the great Botswana, and we're never looking back. Oh, we're overlanding, brother, through the wild and open wide, with the spirit of the savannah and the rhythm of the ride, through the red dust and the green grass, where the big five claim the throne. In the middle of the nowhere, we have found a place called home. The sky turned bruised and heavy just south of Serengeti. The clouds let go a deluge thick and fast and steady.
Dirkus, luister my chomma. I must give a shout out to the guys from Coolback, ne? These Johnnies, ne? With this beautiful, check this beautiful. I thought this was like just all beauty and no purpose, ne? Leather and canvas, cool box, ne? Here's it's day 4 now, ne? Ice. We never put this in frozen. And it's day 4 now. And still ice cold. Going into the potjie now. Listen, it's not just beauty day, Johnny. Now it works. Look for gatvol. Ek kry warm for me. So, the guys from Coolback, ne? Listen, you can be proud of your Coolback, Johnny. Daai ding werk. It's really practical. It's beautiful. And at day 4, meat is still ice cold. We did put in a new bag of ice this morning. That's it. But still, Kimunati Kaufela, day 4. Back to basics. Cold meat. So let's go make lekker potjie. So just look that lekker cold cool drink Dirkus is having, eh? On a scale of 0 to 5, how cold is that, Johnny? As if out of a fridge, or not really?
Yeah, it's definitely. I think it's. This could be a 2 degrees.
Less, Duckers. This is
2 degrees,
and
1 degrees, 2 degrees.
1 degrees, 2 degrees, ne? So this Dometic, Johnny, and we took the 28 liter.
Hy's beer cooked.
This is beer o'clock. Look there. Still ice. Day 4. We did add a little bit of ice this morning from Elephant Sands. But there was still day 4. Still ice left.
The water was still ice cold.
Yeah, the water that was in there was like very, very cold. So Dick is so far impressed with what we have, ne? Don't think it's going to be this easy. And it's hot. It's now like what? 30 something. 30 something.
30 degrees, I think.
Yeah, 30 degrees. And these chillers, this Dometic, Johnny, honestly, working above what I expected. Same with our cool bag, our leather and canvas. Beautiful leather and canvas cool bag. And there's Dickus's pantry. Just show them your pantry.
Yes, Pikkewyn.
It's Pikkewyn's pantry, ne? And this is the sum total of our kitchen, ne? This Johnny has got everything in.
So vleisbakkie.
Yeah, I'm gonna need this cannabis online for the
Spicy,
potjie. Some aromat Dickus.
Gasstoofie.
There's the gas stove,
Ons
our
lappies.
coffee mugs, cutlery, crockery. And this is the sum total of our kitchen.
Aromat, dis 'n
Ja.
snyplankie waarop jy wil eet.
Yeah. Can you give me that aromat Dickus, please?
Yes, look at this geld.
Yes, lots of stuff, my broer.
Dis geld hier binne.
There's a money. Let me see the money.
Nee, dis 'n kurktrekker.
It's a kirk trekker.
Fuck is dit hierdie?
Pikkewyn Dickus vra waar kry jy hierdie?
Steal ze dan uit my bar.
So there's our drinking water, and this is it, Dickus. This is the sum total of our kitchen, and it's working. And there's the poop scoop, and of course Cinderella. Let me tell you something about this Legend 55, ne? Pleasantly, it's going where the big boys are going. Effortless and easy. I'll do a little bit of a camp rundown later. But now, let's go make Botswana beef potjie. You know what's impressive? Guys cooling out of cooler boxes, pulling out still mushrooms, ice cold baby marrows, ne? And lekker meat. Day 4, my broer, day 4, people are still pulling out these Johnnies. Who needs fridges if you can roll like this, huh?
And ice cold beer.
And ice cold, but supporting local St. Louis Johnnies. Listen, I must honestly tell you, I can get used to this. Really, this camping, ne? And there's me and Dickus. There's our Johnny, ne? I can get used to this. Honestly, I can. But Dickus, not so much. But anyway, let's make pot. So this is now becoming a Moerbui pot, ne? So flavors and sizes and sorts of meats all going into Dickus's pot, ne? So onions already in, green peppers in, and that's a proper Falkirk, ne? Let me give you a quick rundown. So Parado, they standing there. Lekker Kalahari, Bush baby, and then die twee. Every night one gets a turn to sleep in the car. Tonight it's Stefan's turn. Ja, vanaand is Stefan se beurt om in die kar te slaap, né? En dis is Bosveld canvas en leather. Marco, lekker Johnny wat julle hier het. Doesn't they even go big with side awnings open, the whole 9 yards. Econ with a Insele. Kyk net daar, Bushveld. acc.co.za. En hier is Johan en Daniel. Lekker. This is still, let me tell you something. These boat tents, or we call them chopper tents, né? They are still, I promise you, one of the go-tos. And checknet. Here's our lookout. And just like a lekker private viewing. Chipple trick. Trans-Africa Chipple trick 101. So if the vlees is a little bit Thai, what is Thai in Engels, nee? Tough. You just cut in a banana. This is Mosidi from Telodi Lodge. She uses this in her oxtail. It's an old Botswana trick I've learned. But you must always just taste if the banana.
More.
So what this does is the enzymes in the banana, nee? I'm just gonna roer it gou. So check bietjie like hy pot binne dik is. So the enzymes in the banana breaks down the meat. You will not even know there's banana in this pot, but you will taste the tenderness of this Kimonati Kaufela Trans-Africa pot.
Ek het ander winskneemarkte op. Ek wil dit opsit ek een keer as ek kom daar by Super Creek of my dis iets anders vir gerels nog vir my water. Dis dit vir my bos op. Ek my bos water opsit te klap. Ja, ek gaan Toyota by Dakkes.
Ja, nou uiteindelijk die ene is uit so snovelpunt op.
Ja, daar gaan koop. Ja, maar was net bier, dit was R900.
So Adrian, show us, man, show us. So Adrian has made us paleche, satsa, nshima. What's it called in Malawi, Adrian?
Sima.
Sima. In Zambia it's nshima.
This is 3/4 of the way.
In South Africa it's pap. So
Maak 'n bietjie dik,
yeah.
maak 'n bietjie pap aan sy daar.
So that Johnny goes with this Johnny. And check net hoe lekker lyk dit, nee? Is that drops that I'm feeling?
Yes.
Ooh. Ons moet Cinderella toemaak. Check hier. Check hier so. Ja.
Cinderella met die paleis toe maak.
Kom, Dikkies, we must make our
Close the palace.
You close the palace, nee? I'll close Cinderella. Rain, lovely rain. Ja, close Cinderella. And I did ask Dikkies, eina moerse moer. Dikkies, wat het ek gesê? Trap die pen in.
Wie daai pen aangekap?
Der eina ou man. Ish. Close Cinderella. Die sussie Dikkies van my, nee. So ja, drops are coming. The furniture has been moved around above. And let's bear all these Johnnies. Ons almal staan in die reën, net soos jy gaan halwe Pringle.
Ek en Justin staan nie in die reën. Hey Justin,
Waar ons skuif die meubels. Nee, die ou wat die umbrella het vandag hier, nee, het hy een nie. Pootjie in die reën. Back to basics 101. Where's your umbrella? Ja. Dikkies, are we having fun yet? Let's go do back to basics, they said, nee? It'll be lekker, they said. we roll off the punches, my bro. Roll off the punches. Improvise, adapt, overcome.
Al sit jy onder die veranda.
Al sit jy net hier onder die veranda, nee. So, lekker boys. En die brandewyn loop soos riviere. Kyk bietjie wat gaan hier aan Berjay. Kyk hierso. Brandewyn loop soos riviere hierso.
Ag, ek drink dit dan met zero coke, ek moet sê.
Ja, hulle drink al met zero coke so. Dit tel nie. Vanaand eet hy weer 'n slaai. Want hy te veel brandewyn en coke.
Kyk net wat jy slaai aan die pot.
Kyk daar, ons het 'n lekker vleisslaai aan die gang daar. Man. Ja, Marcos kan hy's gaan die groente, he's gonna hawk the veggies. But this is be over now, man. 10 minutes.
Ja nee.
10 minutes, boys. Trust me. 10 minutes. This is over. This is Botswana. I know this rains, man. I know this. So I must just show you Tinkerbell is in the car, né? All of us are roughing it outside, né? Check for Tinkerbell, né? And it wants to give itself a name like Intsele, but it's hiding. So we all are roughing it, raining wet and everything, né? And Marco is hiding in the car all the time. That's why his name is Tinkerbell from now on. Yeah, kyk hier so, everybody is roughing it out in the rain, eh? But not Tinkerbell. Check hier so. It's like rivers of Babylon. Smile, hulle neem foto's. Look here. Man, Bear Grylls calls this survival, we call it camping. We call it back to basics. And the potjie. Just open that Johnny for us, né? Check here. Mursa. Woo! Yeah, now we're living. So listen, I always make a spot, I say now we're cooking on gas, ne? Listen, but now we're really cooking on gas. Here, our fire rained dead, ne? Listen, now we're cooking with gas for real. But we're just getting this Johnny. But open there, I just want to show them. Ne? Check. Mothers. Listen, this is in the world of ever, ne? Want hy flits is te skerp, man. In the world of ever, ne? This is gonna be the best potjie ever. Ever. Gas cooking. Now we're talking, Papa. Yeah. Listen, now I'm camping lekker, man. Come staaldraad shit now.
Back to basics.
Back to gas basics.
Back to basics. Ons is nat.
Ons is nat. Die kos is nat.
Wet and wild.
Die voete is nat. Kyk die water.
Kyk.
Woo! And tomorrow. Check hierso. Check. Die is die bitter einders,
Wet
nee.
and wild camp.
Waar's jou sussie Jan? Huh? Marco slaap hy. So Marco Anderson's got a new name now, Tinkerbell. Yeah. So listen, if you make potjie and braai with feet like that, nee. Listen, Bear Grylls coral survival.
Big Grylls.
We just call it back to basics. Check die gambies, nee. Check die gambies, nee. Daai voete is still brand new clean.
Ja.
Thank you gambies.
Check. Oei, hier.
Wie stoot so? So gambies for the win and barefoot for the win. En kyk hy mooi toenails ook nog silver skoon. Jo. Pig out.
Because we don't have any
En check net hierso nee, Satsa.
Ja.
Vir hy lig net so bietjie weg, ek wil die pap mooi wys net. Check net. Regte, egte. 100% Botswana nee. Paletse. Nsima. Kyk hierso. Nee, vanaand nee, like a king. Waar's my koning luiperdvel? Dat ek net hier vir my en my sussie pap skep. Ja. Is moeilik om video te neem en pap te skep.
Hierso skep levels.
Een kan pot toe gaan. Ek weet nie hoeveel my sussie gaan eet, seker net soveel.
Moet hom klaar word.
Ja, dankie.
Rosie, so kan extra borde.
Hallo, wil jy bord?
Right. Kom ons gaan skep. Let's go skep some potjie. Ja. Check hierdie Johnny nee. Kom skep boy, skep. Skep. Jo. Kyk nou.
Kom asseblief.
Mooi vark.
Potjie in die reën. Right.
Oei.
En nou gaan ons hom lekker eet. Arrivari. Bon appétit. Dickus,
What?
are we having fun yet?
We're only having fun.
So,
Since 4 o'clock.
The first time in ever that I ate in a Toyota Hilux bakkie.
The aircon on.
But listen, Dickus, on a scale of 1 to 10, that potjie, nee. Masahara.
Yeah, it was lekker.
That was Kimunati Kaufela to the max. And it's still raining. Pula, pula, pula.
You must give me that recipe.
I'm gonna try to remember that Murbai recipe. But listen, what an end to the day. Memories, nee?
Yes.
Toes in the mud, potjie on the gas.
Maar dit moet nou klaar kry.
No, man, it's only getting started now.
Tents leaking.
But anyways, nee, over and out for today.
Cheers, bye.
We're gonna go sleep now.
Like soos 'n minion.
Arrivari. Cheers.
Bye.